Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. One of the maximum expected MCU sequels is Captain Marvel 2. Directed with the aid of using Candyman filmmaker Nia DaCosta and set to be launched in 2022 with Brie Larson reprising the position of the titular hero. We are here nonetheless quick on maximum information for the movie, with a few rumors mentioning that the movie will characterize as a quasi-Avengers movie and a la Captain America Civil War and a characteristic maximum of the latest heroes, uniting towards a bigger threat, Mystique. As with Rogue, it is probably too quickly for any X-Men characters to make their MCU debut. However, we cannot face up to the concept of seeing now no longer Best Rogue, her foster mom Mystique, because of the antagonist within the Captain Marvel sequel. Mystique will be one of the first actual mutants to be found in this universe and is hunted with the aid of using authorities alongside her daughter earlier than crossing paths with Captain Marvel. Rogue, while it is probably too quick to introduce mutants into the MCU, having Rogue play a few type of position in Captain Marvel sequel might be a first-rate manner to set up her presence and the life of mutants in general. It might be too cool to peer the notorious Carol Danvers or Rogue's second playout on screen, wherein the younger mutant assaults Carol and completely absorbs now no longer simply her powers, however an awesome chew of a physique and collections as well. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Supreme Intelligence. Carol probable nonetheless has a bone to choose with the Kree's Supreme Intelligence, and it is not likely that the synthetic being has forgotten approximately words among the occasions of the primary movie and its sequels. If so, it'd be first rate to have Supreme Intelligence get its revenge as the cosmic heroine and will mastermind a scheme that consequences in every other Kree Skull war with Karen in the middle of it. When Disney shifted around the discharge dates of Marvel Phase 4 after the put-off Black Widow to November 2020, we were given the affirmation of Captain Marvel 2's launch. The sequel remains scheduled to hit cinemas within the UK and US on July 8, 2022, even though it is now no longer but clean while the film will begin filming and if that launch date will hold given the different Marvel setbacks. It is mentioned that the sequel will take location in the modern day, which we can count on could be modern day of the present day MCU after the occasions of Avengers Endgame and its 5-year time jump, which means 2023. Captain Marvel did not characterize an excessive amount in the Endgame, so it is tough to locate clues there for what the sequel's plot could be. The Russo brothers showed that she wasn't in Endgame a good deal because it turned out into a tale approximately the authentic 6. That's partially why she turned into of supporting different planets that have been additionally tormented by the snap. Captain Marvel's turned into quintessential to the Avengers in the end, defeating Thanos in Endgame, or he or she confirmed up at Tony Stark's memorial too. But that turned into the ultimate we noticed of her, so it is anyone's bet what she is now up to as much within the MCU. However, possibly a few suggestions could be determined in WandaVision because as we mentioned that the display would be characteristic a grown-up Monica Rambeau. As comedian lovers will know, Monica sooner or later looked at the mantle of Captain Marvel. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more box office movie, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.